Digital advertising is a comprehensive method used to sell merchandise, services, or brands through digital channels. Unlike traditional marketing methods that depend upon print media, TV, or radio, digital advertising leverages the internet and digital devices to reach and have interaction with goal audiences. Here's a huge overview of what digital marketing entails. Advantages of digital marketing. Settings. One of the most compelling advantages of digital marketing is the ability to measure results with precision. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital campaigns provide detailed metrics and analytics. This means you can track the performance of your campaigns in real time and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Digital marketing offers unparalleled flexibility and adaptability. Whether it's adjusting your budget, targeting a new audience, new customer and clients, or tweaking your message, changes can be made swiftly and efficiently. This agility allows businesses to respond quickly to market trends and consumer behavior, ensuring that your marketing efforts remain relevant and effective. Digital marketing fosters enhanced engagement with your audience through social media, email marketing, live chats, content marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, influencer marketing, interactive content, webinars and live stream, and other channels. You can interact directly with your customers, receive feedback, and build a loyal community. This two-way communication not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also drives brand loyalty and trust. In conclusion, digital marketing offers a host of benefits that can significantly enhance your business's reach and effectiveness. From measurable results and flexibility to enhanced engagement, the advantages are clear. Embracing digital marketing is not just an option, it's a necessity in today's fast-paced digital world.